What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to show you how to restart and reset your Fitbit Luxe. So if your Fitbit Luxe is completely frozen, you will need to use the charging cable. Plug in the charger adapter. So you'll see the charger connects via the contacts and a magnet. And then on the USB area, there is a button. We're going to press this 3 times and pausing 1 second in between each press. So we press, press, press. Now I'm going to go ahead, plug this in, and then do that sequence. So we'll press, press, press. Now we'll wait 10 seconds and the Fitbit will respond by restarting. So now you can see the Fitbit has restarted, and that should get you back if the Fitbit is frozen. Now, after you're back online, you can factory reset the Fitbit. We're going to double tap the screen, and once the screen is up, we are going to scroll up, go to the settings menu, and scroll down to device info and clear user data. Press that, and then to clear it, we need to press and hold for 3 seconds. Now your Fitbit is factory reset and it's ready to pair on any new device. When you guys do remove a Fitbit from your account, also you want to remember to come into the Fitbit app. And right here I have the old Luxe. We're going to go ahead and remove this device. Now that Fitbit is ready to be paired on a brand new device and be set up for a new user or set up on your account again. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys did find the video helpful, please hit that like button, subscribe to my channel for more tech videos, and I will see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.